Reinstalling Windows is the ultimate nuclear option. It works, sure, but it's a massive pain. You lose your apps, your custom tweaks, and hours of your life setting it all back up. But what if I told you Windows isn't actually broken? It's usually just confused. Today, I'm showing you the 4 essential repair commands you need to run in this exact order to save your OS before you wipe the drive. First, we need to set the stage. You cannot run these as a standard user. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and hit Run as Administrator. If you're on a laptop, plug it in now. We're performing surgery on your file system. You do not want the power cutting out halfway through. We start with the foundation, your hard drive. If your disk has file system errors, the other repairs will fail. This is a read-only scan. It's fast and safe to run while Windows is active. If it comes back clean, move on. If it finds errors, it's a sign that your confused Windows is actually struggling with a corrupted disk structure. Next up is the most famous one, SFC. This tool compares your system files against a master list of healthy files. If it finds a match that's corrupted or missing, it swaps it out automatically. Don't panic if it stalls at 20% or 70%. That's normal. If it says it found and repaired files, you might be done. But if it says it couldn't fix them, that means the master list itself is corrupted. That's where command number 3 comes in. This is the heavy hitter DISM, while SFC fixes individual files. DISM repairs the underlying Windows image. Those files are pulled from. This pulls fresh files from the official Microsoft Windows Update servers to rebuild your system's core. Once this finishes, reboot your PC and run command number 2, SFC, one more time. It'll usually work perfectly now. Finally, if your Windows is stable, but Windows Update keeps failing, you need to reset the cache. We do this by stopping the update service and clearing the software distribution folder. Also, run this command. Next, rename the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. These folders store downloaded Windows updates and update metadata. From the same elevated command prompt window, run these commands to rename the folders instead of deleting them. I am not going to run them myself. The Windows update is running just fine. You can restart the services using the following commands. Now that we've covered the commands, let's talk about the newer repair tools in Windows 25 H2 that you should absolutely know about. These are powerful options that can fix Windows without wiping your apps and files. Windows 25 H2 includes a feature called Fix Problems Using Windows Update. This lets you reinstall core Windows files using Windows Update 90 with no USB, no ISO, no full reset. It repairs major corruption by downloading fresh system files directly from Microsoft. It's basically a safe, in-place repair install. Next is reset this PC. You get 2 choices. Keep my files, reinstalls Windows while keeping your personal data, remove everything, full clean reinstall. This is your next step if the commands and update repair don't fix the issue. Windows 25 H2 introduced Quick Machine Recovery, and you absolutely want this turned on all the time. When enabled, Windows quietly creates recovery snapshots of your system. If your PC becomes unbootable or corrupted, QMR lets you instantly roll back to a working state. It's like having a built-in safety net for your PC. Make sure it's on because it can save you from a full reinstall. So before you reinstall Windows, run those 4 commands, then check the recovery options in Windows 25 H2. Most issues can be fixed without wiping your PC. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which repair method fixed your system. Thanks for watching.